Hey there, today I'll tell you about how to set up auto deposit on Cibc. For this, first go to Cibc website www.cibc.com. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your username and password to log in to your online banking account. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your name or account settings. Select direct deposit and pre-authorized payments under the banking settings option. Follow the auto deposits option and click on setup. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process. CIBC will ask you to verify your account and the details of the direct deposit you want to receive. If it's a payroll or government payment, ensure that you provide your CIBC account number and the relevant transit number. Select the account where you want to receive your direct deposit. Choose Enable Auto Deposit to allow future deposits to automatically be credited to your account without any manual intervention. Review all the details of your auto deposit setup and confirm the information. Click Confirm or Finish to activate the features. CIBC will send you a confirmation email or messages within your online banking to notify you that auto deposit is now enabled. Once auto deposit is set up, you will start receiving direct deposit automatically. You can check your account to see if the funds were deposited successfully. If there are any issues, you may need to check with the payer or contact CIBC customer support. If you ever need to edit or disable auto deposit, go back to the direct deposit and pre-authorized payments section in your profile. You can update deposit accounts or disable auto deposit in any time. And that's how you can set up auto deposit in CIBC.